Hi there, students. Foster. To foster as a verb, or foster as an adjective. Okay, so foster, providing parental care for a child that is not yours. So, for example, foster parents. Foster parents foster a child. They look after the child, even though it's not theirs. Notice, foster as a verb can be either to give that care or to receive it. Okay? So, to foster, to take care of a child, normally for a limited time, but you aren't the child's legal parent. Would you consider fostering a child? Okay, notice, to foster is temporary and you're not the legal guardian, but you do have responsibility for the child. To adopt is when you do it permanently. So very often people who foster children end up adopting them. Okay, and that's the basic meaning of it. But we use foster metaphorically to mean to encourage the development of growth, to encourage the development of ideas. So I am trying to foster interest or an interest in the English language. He is trying to foster a belief in democracy. A good teacher should foster a love of learning in their students. So it's like you're taking care of it, you're making it grow, you're helping it on. Okay, so to encourage the development of, a life coach fosters techniques that help you live, that improve your quality of life. So to nurture, if you like, yeah. Okay, so to foster a child, to look after, but to promote the growth and development of something, to cultivate. This school is dedicated to fostering artistic talent. Okay, he fostered a secret hope one day to be a great author, to have inside you and keep, and this is a slightly different meaning. He fostered hopes of becoming the first man to land on Mars. Okay, so you keep it inside and you look after it and you nurture it. Okay, so to foster, to develop, to promote the development of. It's a good thing to foster new ideas. Okay, so you're looking after them, you are nurturing, you're giving them patronage, yeah? You're supporting the idea, you're backing the idea. You're developing, to foster, to develop, to support, to further, to encourage, to promote, to stimulate, okay, to foment. So, yes, they are keen to foster trade with other European countries. Yeah, he fostered a very strong ambition. Yeah, he fostered an ambition to be the best and the foremost in the land. Okay, so to foster. Let's see, how formal is this? Well, as a foster child or a foster parent, this is technical and I would give it a 5 informality. Use it anywhere. And then to foster an idea, I think I'd probably give it a 6 informality, but you could use it informally and you could use it semi-formally and formally. So use the verb to foster or foster as an adjective anywhere. Notice to foster is a regular verb. He fostered an ambition to become the world's greatest English teacher. Yeah, he has fostered this idea for many years. And then as to origin, okay, so it comes from an Old English word fostor, meaning food or sustenance, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic fostra, nourishment or food. Okay, so there are quite a few other words in other languages. For example, foster in Old Norse, nurturing education, or foster in Danish, a fetus. Okay, so to foster, to look after something, to nurture it, to help it, encourage it to grow, or to look after a child temporarily that's not yours, to give parental care to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Foster.